I'm gonna be honest, the weather today has been absolutely trash. It's cold, it's rainy, but I got some good news. The new any level lift is on the way to the shop, and we're putting the wheels and tires on it. Look, throw the mullet out like that. I ain't throwing the mullet out like that just for nothing. The new any level lift's coming to the shop today. I've been keeping this any level lift under wraps and I haven't really been filming it. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process, you know, as some pictures and some videos that they sent me. I really got into the build of the last one and went over and filmed a lot of it. This time I've been kind of just keeping it a secret and just waiting for it to be done. Today we got a 2022 450 black with like this copper color lift kit, or black lift kit with the copper color accents, and it's getting a set of 28-inch super single front JTX dually wheels, all copper, this crazy copper color. It's on the way over here. We're gonna bolt the wheels and tires on it today. I'll show you guys a little bit of the process of it getting built. It's the same process as last time, so I didn't want to bore you guys with it again. But hey, it's a great day. It's Tuesday, and we got a new any level lift hitting the channel today. Let's get this bread. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Look at that thing. That's cool. With the small tires on it. Doug! That's cool. They don't like that. They don't like it at the same time. They really don't.
Damn.
Are you worried that
I am worried, yeah.
Wow. It's not good. I don't think it's gonna matter.
You didn't go? No, that's fine. It'll be alright. Huh? It'll be alright. Maybe, maybe not.
No, it's gonna pick up the color.
I'm talking about the color.
Oh no, the color's good, dude.
That'll look good. It'll look good. Good.
No, he's ready. How tall?
Meat. How do you feel about the any level lift truck?
It's pretty gnarly.
Gnarly?
It's nice.
That's what we're going with? Gnarly and nice?
Gnarly and nice. Probably 2 inches. About the size of my
It's like we're opening up one of them massage parlor that Alex been going down here. They give you a 125 for a tub with that.
One of them up and it's cold on the inside. Thing with the dually on the back. Yeah, fitting back there. 2-inch spacer. It's got 2 sets of adapters. Can't even squeeze my fingers in there. Tight one. Tight. That copper looks really good though. I'm excited to see it outside in the sun, not in the shop. Nah, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to.
Trash. Bummer.
I don't have my camera with me.
Yeah.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Hit the light!
Yeah, you get.
Hit the light!
Yeah, you get.
Yeah, but that's what you need, buddy. That's what you need, Nick. Yeah, you can't let Jeremy do this, do you? You can't let Jeremy do this, do you?
Got my phone out. Look at him. It looks good coming on the rack. I don't have my camera. It's inside.
How old do I look? If you just met me, how old do I look? 21? 21?
That's not bad.
Motherfucker, you look 45.
I said like 30, 28, 29.
For the last 20 years. Leonard said 35.
How
many teeth you got?
I like your hair though. The hair is looking good right now. The hair is looking good.
I can't afford it.
You just got all my guts.
Yeah. Oh, RJ filmed it. No, Alex.
What's my producer tag? Bummer.
Hey, really though. I need those stickers from Denali King built by Leo.
The people want to know what Leonard has to say about the 450.
You gotta say nothing. You gotta say nothing. You just
The gas
gotta,
truck.
It speaks for itself when you look at it.
It really does. I like it. I was skeptical about the colors. I really was.
So you look at the bummer.
The biggest difference obviously is going to be the translucent copper 28-inch wheels. We're going to take a little bit more of a detailed look at the wheels and tires tomorrow when the sun's back out. It's getting a little dark tonight, but look at that thing. The dually. Freaking beautiful. First test drive. We'll see how it turns out in the morning. Bye-bye. Thing looks so good riding down the road there. Look at it. Hey, you look good in that thing. Hey, you look good in that. Oh, it looks so much better in the sunlight. Look, enough of this any level nonsense. What we got going on over here, though?
Hold on, dude. Let me get my center cap in it.
Hold on, though. What we got going on over here? I really do like this. I'm not lying to you because the camera's on. I really do like this.
Of course, built by Leo.
This is the That Wide Bowtie sponsored Jeep build going to SEMA.
Yeah, Nitto, thank you.
I gotta put my name on it somewhere.
Thank you, Nitto.
Thank you, Nitto. Look at that freaking color, though.
I meant to just get one, but
What's the name of the color?
hold on, I'll have to look it up.
Isn't it some kind of purple?
No, it's blue actually.
Really? I really do like this with the mud grab. That's gonna be fire. Metal center caps too. I think the coolest part to me is that it is a metal center cap. I like that metal center cap. That's color matched. Freaking cool. KG1 Jeep wheel. I really like this design. I love that they did the blue and the machined accents on it. And with the mud grab, I don't think you can ask for a better combination. Leonard's putting this on a Cherokee that he's got, that he's gonna put a custom lift kit, and he's gonna powder coat the lift kit to match as well. And apparently we're going to SEMA, so be ready. So we just finished our second any level lift at the shop. We did that first one, the white one that had the white any level lift with the 30x16s on it. Shout out to Stefan for being our first any level lift that we ever did at the shop. It was one of the coolest experiences of my entire life. And I'm here to show you guys number 2. ...2022 F450 Limited with the 15-inch any level lift. Now, for those of you that don't know what an any level lift is, it is a hydraulic lift kit that allows you to go from stock height to 15 inches with the press of a button. It is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. One of the most expensive lift kits I've ever seen in my life, and definitely the most expensive job, build, lift kit, anything that I've ever been a part of while building truck. A couple of cool things that make this truck unique and will stand out over any of the other any level lifts or any truck in general that you will see, outside of the fact that there's only a handful of these in the country that will go up and down like this. It's the coolest thing in the world. But we have the just coolest 28x16 translucent copper 2 wheels, powder coated by JTX, milled, designed and built by JTX, 28x16 super single in the front with a 28 dually in the rear, beautifully complemented by 42 1550 28 Fury. I love Fury tires when we're doing such a big size like this. Nitto doesn't make anything, or I would 1000% run Nittos on something like this, but Fury definitely has the market cornered when it comes to 26s, 28s and 30s in the bigger size mud tires, 1000%. I love the way that JTX designs their wheels. They have this really nice thick cut spoke to them with the real sharp edges. They have a really nice design. They even offer some of their designs with the Texas center cap, which is super cool. We got the really nice matte black 10 lug spikes to complement the black 450. One of the coolest, one of the nicest trucks that I've been a part of building. I'm just super blessed. We need to get it cleaned. Obviously, the customer has not yet picked it up yet. The truck got finished yesterday, and we still got to do a couple of small adjustments and test drives before it leaves. I wish I could just drop a comment section below and ask what questions you guys have, but I'm gonna throw out one of my favorite things about this truck. We did that F450, the white one with the 30x16s and the 42s, and we took it to Rick Ross's house. He offered to buy it, and it was one of the coolest experiences. But one of the only things that I regret about the white truck that we were not able to do is get the width that the dually has. That's the only reason, in my opinion, that I feel like I like this truck better, is because it has the width with the 2 rear wheels in the back. It's that wide bow tie. You guys know I like stuff wide. You guys know that I want it to poke out. You guys know I want it to be white line to white line driving down the road. And I know Stefan wanted a dually, and for whatever reason, they didn't have them available at the time, or whatever the case is. But that dually rear end on these is just absolutely insane. And going down the road, it looks 10 times better. It has such a huge presence going down the road. Being a dually on 15 inches, 28s, 42s, it's just freaking beautiful, and I absolutely love it. A couple of different options on the lift kit that we went with this time. Instead of the tubular front bars, we have the boxy compression bars, or boxy 4-link bars, whatever you want to call them, in the front. And then we also have the boxy ones in the rear as well, with that copper, translucent copper accent all the way around on the lift kit. So all of your badging, all of your logos, your king coilovers, your box bars in the front, your box bars in the back, your kings in the rear, all of your logos in the rear, all color matched to match the beautiful copper wheels. And then the only difference that I know of in the 450s and the 350s is the 450s comes with an airbag subframe, which is super cool. So you got a little more support in the back with having that much weight, little airbag system in the back. Got your dually copper wheels, the big JTX center cap in the rear, and your 28x16 super single in the front. One of the coolest things that I've ever been able to be a part of, and I'm just super blessed to be able to get an opportunity to just quietly come in the back, film it, show my appreciation to such an amazing build. Any of the guys in the shop that watch my videos, I want to show some love to Brandon, Casey, and Leonard, especially for building such a beautiful truck and taking time out of your days, because we can't build stuff like this at the shop. We don't have enough space. We can't type a bay for that long. So we actually have a location that's away from the shop that we build these, which is why you guys never see these in the normal videos. So they go out of their way during, you know, after work hours, during work hours, sometimes to go build these trucks for you guys. And it just, we would be nothing without them. I'm just a man with a camera that likes to come film stuff and talk a lot of shit and be cool. But we would be nothing without the guys that build the truck. So Brandon, Casey, Leonard, especially Mikey back there, and anybody else that does mechanical work and tires for us. I just, from the bottom of me, I appreciate you for allowing me to come out here and film such cool vehicles all the time. It wouldn't be anything without you. I know that it's been kind of a secret. Like I said, I haven't really posted this one. I showed the process of the white one a lot. We were going over on the weekends and filming, and I kind of wanted to keep this one a secret until it was done, just to kind of just pop out of nowhere and show you guys a new any level lift. Unfortunately, it's not going to be on the channel that long. Once it gets picked up today, it's going to Texas and getting sold, and we will probably never see this again, which is very unfortunate. But I wanted to make sure to make a video, show you guys the new truck, show how excited I am, throw the mullet out a little bit in celebration, because we have built such a beautiful truck, and I know the customer is going to be super freaking excited. He was here yesterday looking at it. Actually, you guys will see some of that. But I know that I know that the customer is going to be super happy, and we're definitely happy with the way that it turned out. I honestly just wanted to say it one more time. I'm super humbled to be able to come and film stuff like this on a day-to-day basis and work at a shop that does such high quality work. You guys travel from all over the country to come build trucks with us and spend money with us and hang out and be a part of the bread gang and show love to the channel. If you guys want to see us build more crazy stuff like this and just have a good time at the shop, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the giveaway that we got going on. I got a new lift kit coming for my truck soon that we're going to be doing a giveaway with as well. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the notification bell, join the bread gang so you guys can come back and see us build more crazy shit just like this 2022 F450 on copper 28s, which is just crazy to say in itself. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.